Now that we are talking about bags, hello everyone, this is Akshika Arya and welcome back to this channel. So this week I decided to do something different than I usually do, and that's kind of my motto of running this channel, that I'll be doing different things every week, and I will be hoping that you guys like that. So today's video is going to be about 10 things a girl should own, and that can include anything, stuff like clothes, fashion accessories, and makeup, etc., stuff like that. So yeah, I think it will be interesting. It's just that according to me, these things are basic and important at the same time, so I just want to share it with you guys. So yeah, if you're interested in watching that, please keep watching. And before we begin, do remember to subscribe to my channel, because I make these kind of videos. I'm kind of new here, but I'm actually learning a lot with time. And yeah, these are the kind of things I'll be making my videos on, so I hope you find it interesting. And yeah, do hit the subscribe channel and that bell icon thing. So yeah, let's get started with it. Now the first thing that a girl should be owning, which is very basic but very important, that is a good quality denim jeans. Most important kind of jeans that you should be owning is a basic straight jeans, which is actually a good quality. Now the second thing that actually I believe is very important that you should be owning is a very basic t-shirt, which is not printed, not anything, just a solid basic t-shirt. It can be in any colors, the more the merrier actually. And मेरे हिसाब से the basic would be black or white or both. That's actually great. So be it winter or summer, a good pair of blue jeans with white or black basic t-shirt would go really well, and it's good for a casual day. Now the third thing that actually comes after this is every girl should be owning a basic t-shirt bra, which comes in every color actually, but the two most important colors that you should be owning is black and nude color. It's very common but very important as well. You must have seen in a lot of fashion bloggers videos that these two kind of bras in your wardrobe is very important. The reason being, they actually stress on that is because the black bra will actually go with any dark kind of colors. Obviously a nude bra would actually be good for any light kind of dress or shirt you're wearing. So yeah, it's actually very helpful, and you don't really need to own every color, but these two colors are very important. Now that we have discussed the third point, here comes the fourth. Winter will be coming in a few months, and I'm actually very excited about it,
because summer has been a total bust. Seriously, कोरोना की वजह से no one actually could go outside, और मैं तो 5 महीने से कहीं बाहर नहीं गई हूँ. Don't get me started on that.
Yeah, so the one thing that actually I love about winter is that I could actually wear a leather jacket. Yeah, I don't really support leather jackets really, but that material is actually something that gets me every time whenever I actually go out for shopping for my jackets or winter wear. And a basic black biker jacket would look great on you, even if you're just wearing a casual outfit. And I remember I had that kind of jacket with me. It's been 2 years, I think more than 2 years. I bought it in London when I was studying for my masters, and it's amazing, guys. Like, it's still in good shape, and I had gained some weight in between, but now that I'm actually kind of slimmer than earlier, so I am actually able to fit in it again, so I'm actually very happy. Too many actually. So yeah, a basic black leather jacket is a must. So the next point that comes is about an accessory, which is a bag. Now we know that being a girl, we carry so many things with us when we are going out, even if we are not really planning on taking so many things, but still ho jata hai. So yeah, a good tote bag is a must for you guys if you are actually one of them जो बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेके चलना prefer करते हैं अपने साथ, and that's totally your preference. Advantage of a tote bag is that it's spacious and fashionable. So wherever you're going, be it work or a casual outing, you can actually carry that with you and it will be fine. Now that you are talking about bags, there's a very important thing that should be in your bag. क्लासिक सनग्लास. येस, आई एम श्योर हर किसी के बैग में एक सिग्नेचर सनग्लास होगा उनका, स्पेशली इन समर सीजन व्हेन यू एक्चुअली गोइंग आउट. तो आपके बैग में एक सनग्लास तो होना चाहिए, सो दैट व्हेनेवर यू एक्चुअली नीड इट यू कैन जस्ट take it out and wear it. Now another point is about shoes. Now I know there are a lot of different kinds of girls out there, and me myself, I am not really a kind of person who likes to collect too many sandals or heels. I like shoes. It's because obviously they're comfortable, but every girl should be actually owning a pair of black heels at least, because that actually goes with everything, you know, every kind of outfit and colors. मेरी एक नई थ्योरी है कि मैंने रिसेंटली न्यूड कलर के या फिर बेज कलर के हील्स में भी इन्वेस्ट करना स्टार्ट किया है, बिकॉज इवन दोज काइंड ऑफ हील्स गो विद लाइट काइंड ऑफ शेड्स ऑफ dresses or anything that you're wearing, actually any kind of outfit. So yeah, it will be actually helpful for you guys. So our next point is about clothes again. You know, there are days when you're actually wearing something casual but you want it to look fashionable, but आपको पता नहीं होता कैसे करें, and sometimes you're just too lazy to do something like that. That's the part where a classic blazer takes place and wins over. So a good blazer is something to invest in. So be it summer or winter, a blazer will actually enhance your look, and it will make you look more professional or stylish, whatever you want to look. The material actually differs for summer and winter. For summer, actually I would suggest you guys to go for something lighter in material, obviously, जिससे आपको गर्मी ना लगे. And for winters, it obviously gets something with warmer material. And in any case, in both the seasons, this kind of look will actually rock. Plus, it can actually make a casual looking outfit look fabulous. Now the next point is also very important for those people who actually like to wear bodycon dresses. So whenever you're actually planning on wearing a bodycon dress, or you know, it's a body hugging dress, so that's when you should be actually keeping in mind to get yourself seamless underwear. Yeah, it was kind of hard for me to remember the name. It comes very handy when in situation like that, because normal में obviously क्या होता है, the normal kind of underwear that you have, उसको अगर आप bodycon dress के नीचे पहनोगे, so the lines would be visible and it won't really look that good, and खुद से भी you would be feeling a little bit of conscious. That's why you should be owning 1 or 2 pairs of seamless underwears, because that would come very handy in these kind of situations. So our next and last point is a combination of 2 points actually, which is very helpful and very useful. ये मैंने गलती अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में की है, इसलिए मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ. The 2 things that are very important to carry with you whenever you're going out, it's a chapstick and a miniature of a perfume bottle if you have. Now why these things are important? Because so starting with the chapstick, so whenever you actually go out, you might end up eating or drinking, and that will actually get your lipstick smudged or wiped off. Now उस time you don't really realize कि you don't have a chapstick with you or a lipstick with you to, you know, have a touch up. So that's why ये मेरे साथ actually एक बार हो चुका है. So next and last point is a combination of 2 points actually, and it's very essential according to me, because मैंने ये गलती experience की है अपने साथ personally, and that's why I'm actually sharing this with you. So whenever you go out, you must carry 2 things with you. That's a chapstick or a lipstick and a mini bottle of perfume. Whenever you go out, you might actually end up eating or drinking, and that will actually get your lipstick smudged, and then उस समय आपको realize होगा कि shit, मैं अपनी lipstick या chapstick नहीं लाई हूँ साथ में, and maybe like you're not the kind of person who really wants to wear that all the time when you're out, but like for me, I personally like it, because you know कभी कभी तो जाना होता है बाहर, and so I just want to like do that basically. So that's where my next point comes, that you should be actually carrying a mini perfume bottle or a deodorant bottle, even if it's not too small, but you know, a normal bottle of perfume or deodorant, because what happens especially in summer is that अगर आप बाहर जाओगे और गर्मी की वजह से, you know, you maybe start feeling sweaty, or you think you're smelling, so obviously that actually can make you feel a little conscious or not good, you know, for yourself, you know, if not for anyone, for yourself. So उसके लिए it will actually be very helpful, and you can just spritz it on and it will feel very good. So yeah, ये 2 चीज़ें I think are very important in terms of going out, and in summer time, last year at least, इस साल तो मैं गई नहीं वहीं. So last year at least when I was going out, so I used to try and keep in mind that मैं ये जो 2 चीज़ें लेके जा रही हूँ, and if I have a smaller bag, so if not the perfume, at least chapstick तो लेके जाती हूँ, and yeah, that's all. So yeah, that was the importance of these 2 things, and I hope you found it useful. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and you will actually try to implement it in your real life if you found it helpful and useful. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful and helpful. And and if you at all found this video interesting, then please do subscribe and like my video. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then you can, because I make fun and fashion related videos there, and I also give product reviews for whatever I buy recently, just to spread the word and all. And I have all the behind the scenes over there. So yeah, it will be interesting, and I'll see you next time. And tab tak, I hope everyone's well, and everyone stays well, stays safe, stays home. This is Sakshi Karya signing off.